Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Kum ka jing pencilure ki patba katanat ka bapet ya ka kamri do kha jong ka sarkar jilla ha ka arphandri tarik urisau arhaja arpuar kala pelong ya ka 6 state aquafest ha phalau jong ka state central library shillong ha kani ka tamasa di do kha lane ka aquafest la yashimanta da kitanat bapet ya ka kamri do kha na keleng ki district ka jilla bat kiwe de kitanat Habaya Kren board assistant director jong katanat fisheries ubat David Karwan lang ulaya thu baka jingtmu jong kane ka aquafest kalong ban kentiu ya ka kamri do kha kani ka jilla Meghalaya bat ban penchiluru ekinongri do kha da ka ba ai jing tips phang ki scheme ba pher ki ba ka sarkar kala mang karpang ya kane ka tamasa la play pat ba do secretary jong katanat fisheries USC Sadhu ublalong kum ukongsan
This Aquafest is being organized by Fisheries Department, Meghalaya, with an objective to encourage our fish farmers, particularly to opportunity to sell their produce, at the same time to facilitate interaction with various entrepreneurs and also to make them understand various up-to-date technologies which are encouraged by the department, so that in long run they'll get more price for their fish, and also they'll get to know various technologies to improve the production, and also to encourage them for the processing of fish, so that they'll get better price for their fish. So this is the main objective, is to encourage entrepreneurial qualities in our farmers and improving their livelihood, so that fishery sector in general can be improved in our state. This is the objective, and the farmers from across the state and from all the districts are participating in this program, and even our elite departments like agriculture, soil and water conservation, animal husbandry departments, they are also participating, so that convergence from all departments is possible through this Aquafest. I am very sure that this will benefit our farmers and the department, and also all stakeholders will be benefited by this Aquafest. This government has taken initiative, particularly earlier we had this Meghalaya State Aquaculture Mission 1.0. Now we are running 2.0 with the main objective of making Meghalaya self-sufficient in terms of fish production. You know that substantial requirement of our fish is being met from imports from other states. So we want to reduce the dependence on other states, so that Meghalaya, as we have enough water bodies and enough entrepreneurs and skilled fish farmers, so that we should reduce our dependency on other states, so that we can have our own consumption, and also that whatever money which was going for outside to purchase fish will be in our state, and our farmers, fish farmers in general, will be benefited. And also government is taking steps, particularly in convergence other departments, as fisheries as an ecotourism, to create more employment opportunities through fisheries sector. And these are few initiatives which will definitely in long run benefit our farmers, not only our fishery farmers but other elite sectors as well. So generally incentives means we our one of the main objectives is to capacity building of our farmers. So our effort is always for continuous training of the capacities to improve the capacities of farmers, so that this capacity building is not a one-time exercise. So the department is continuously doing this exercise of improving the capacities, skills and other capabilities of farmers, so that they will be benefited by up-to-date technologies. At the same time, we are improving the infrastructure for farmers, hostels in terms of, so that we can have in-house training also. At the same time, department is taking a holistic perspective of entire fisheries sector, so that we can ensure quality feed supply, quality fish link supply to the farmers, and that so that farmers will have quality inputs, so that their output is also will be improved, and these are all our major initiatives. This is, as I said, capacity building is one component which will definitely address these continuous challenges that are being faced by farmers. Challenges like natural calamities that you all know that which in fact causing huge damage to our farmers. So we have a strategy to how to reduce the impact of these natural calamities, and post, if there is any impact, how to reduce their burden in terms of immediate relief to our farmers through disaster management at the district level, DDMA at the district level, so that the damage is reduced to as minimum as possible. At the same time, challenges in terms of export quality, how to maintain export quality, how to tap our full potential like ornamental fishes, how to engage other states and other countries, so that we can tap full potential of our export. So these are all the few challenges that again we are looking into, we are working in that direction.
As of now is a new technology, and in this new technology is that we don't need much space also, whereas construct a fish pond you need an area of about 1,000 square meters or so, but in case of biofloc you just need a small tank of about 4 meter diameters, and in this tank we culture different fishes, and it's a kind of intensive culture where the feeding and the oxygenation also is being done internally inside the tank itself, and we release the fingerlings there, and we rear for about 6 to 8 months only, and then they are ready for harvesting. So based on the climatic condition, especially in the plain areas where the climatic condition or the temperature also is on the higher side, it's quite convincing. Maybe 2 crops in a year it can be harvested from the same tank. But in the context of this thing, especially the Khasi Jaintia Hills region, it won't be possible for 2 crops in a year, but 1 crop is quite possible. So it is we are encouraging the farmers also, and also from the different central schemes like the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, PMMSY also, we have a different allocation also for that, in which we selected these beneficiaries, and based on that also we assist them also with the central funding. We have put the central and state share, and then based on this subsidy that we help with the farmers also, so many have come up to avail these schemes. We have put the biofloc tank and the biofloc pond. These are two different components, biofloc ponds and biofloc tanks. Biofloc tanks is just like the one I mentioned, 4 meters diameter with polythene kind of sheet, and whereas the biofloc pond, it is in the pond itself where we do the plastic lining, and then we give the same facilities, the oxygen, feeding, everything is being done in the pond itself. The percentage of subsidy as of now we are giving 60%. Is a subsidy? Yeah, they can come under the scheme, under the PMMSY. Even under this, like Sir has mentioned, under MSAM also, Aquaculture Mission also, we have also some allocations earmarked for this component also, the biofloc tanks also. And now we have choose also on the cluster basis, on the cluster approach, where we have selected one village in Ripoy district, that is Maulandat village. So we will be establishing about 100 numbers of these tanks. In that, it's a kind of cluster approach. So we select all the beneficiaries from that particular village and the adjacent. Ini ketika tamasa ke bandri ke 6 aquafest ke bangi penlong man haga si sisang penlong man lakas nem gini kesnem ke beradab te hadian jang ke pandemik tuntung im simio alat penlong. Dia ni kesnem ni yo ikani alat ni sedang dia yakan. Tiga jing temu ke jongi ngi pelong ngi kata masa ke sulong baik ba ngin showcase la ne bangin pen i chi pat ba ya ke bangin ngi tre ngi le bat kham tam ka long ban pen slur ya kini kinong rap kinong ri do kha ki jongi aga jing dei ba jing tre ke jongki pat komju ruban bana sing pai ba kam tam ya ki program ki schemes ke bangidan akalong daga nagaleng ke sokar jela lan ni sokar pedeng ka bangiyo ke jing rap ki waper kenang ba ki nong rap ki jongi ken tip ya kita ki program san ki scheme ki baka sarkar ka menteri halor kani long halor ki pung ki barong ki pengilai tre ki pengilai pendep ki pengilai rap ki nong rap ki jongi kalong bai ba ki ladon katukan ni ki jingmi ki pengilai yo naki pat kini ki jingmi kalong bai ba ni pen i ya ki pen seluruh ya ki da ka bangi penlong ya ki kenja tamasa kenang ba ki nong rap ki nyuki ya ka ka baka department kale pat ki wei pat ki nong rap pada mangiran ban sibun ki jaka ki puta lan ki nong rap ki ba dangdon kami ki jing rap nang kadang ko pen seluruh susu ya ki ru ba ki nang laban yo ya ki la jing rap ka leng ka sarkar Ladangi pai segi sistem kiba mensua jong ka arjar si katway arja kat a ka bang 4 ton ya kenika 4 sedang ya ka state agriculture mission mo sedang ya ka Negeri State Agriculture Mission di nadu kasan trik jong praima jong sistem arja kat a dia shua jong katu ka production ke jong ilani ka jingmi ke jong ya katu ka puak kalong tangba 10,000 metrik ton doka dan reha mentah pada hadian mengilap rekam ya ka Agriculture Mission nomor 1 kalong bangi menteri ya ka lagi sedang ya ka Negeri State Agriculture Mission 1.0 katu ko puang sedang nadu arja kat we kat ar nadu arja kat new dia nadu arja kat new seneng pada mentang ila sedang menteri ya ka MSAM 2.0 Jika hadir mengilap menteri kuma kalong mentah kan jika jingmi jong dok kha kuma kalong mentah kalau poi syak kat praja metrik ton dan naki district ki bapir rapo jong ka jela ka jongi ting UI kan ka jing roi ka jing kiu ka jing ya syakmat bang ipai kan ka jing mi ka bang UI nak ni ki pung jong ki nong rap ki jongi long hadu kumalai pula 1000 metrik ton ni ka dok kha ka bang dan kam dan dai mentang ni lang la mi tang kuma kat praja ini sotu bagi jing duna kadang long tang hadu kat sau kasan 1000 metrik ton barkan ni kat sau kasan 1000 metrik ton hadu mentahi kalong dai bagi mengitip lang barohi kadang dai ke bawan syabah jong ka jela ka jongi nimpak la ban pendik lan ban pendap hadu kal bagi jing dan kam jong ka jela ke jongi nata kadau irang kangdon ke jing duna di halor ke jing duna kuma kalong mentang inang persang dikilat kilenti benginyo ke jing yarap la kalong nagaleng ka sarkar jela ke jongi pat kunjuk ru naka sarkar pedeng ke jongi mentangi penteri kamlang ya kenika Aquaculture Mission kuma piong ne pat baju kepol mentangi penteri kam ru ya kenika pengyong ka PMMSY Pradhan Menteri Matsya Sampada Yojana dekani kadang-kadang ya nyirak sedang adu aja arpo arpuwe pat mentang irang continue ya kini mentang irang pak proposal pada kita arpo lain dia apo jong kini ki program ru kalong bagi bun kini ki komponen kawai naki mat ka bangi penrung hang turu kadehi nak bentaban sina ban tichu shu ki pung do kha ki jaka jong ki beneficiary dan jong kini ki briusi met ki jong ban ki group muncul ada dan kata kade jing kali ke badai ma ngemla ban penmi sibun ka do kha ka bu ka jing don kam ka jong i ka dau kalong bai ba namala dengi pen pi ka do kha ka kampian ki ki jing ri lan ki jing bam namal beri ka don kam ya ka jaka ka mobiang kam tam ya ka jing shit ka jong ka mariang kani ka badon kam ha jendai larangi pej dah seka jela ka jongi kalong bai ba ngi myo namar hai jing sisa sigi wi ki jela larangi pej ka do kha ha ki sistem kila bartong do kha arsin ka juga pu ndai kat ba ka jela ka jongi plan nama ka jinglong jong ka temperature jong ka jing shit jing kriat kani ka jaka ka ba kriat tika do kha kamla ban ki ban san la ni ban roi state ha ki jaka ka ba kriat ndai jaka ba shit ka kloi ban he kata ka ri ka jing duna ha ka jing dei jongi ka jela kam tam larangi pej ya kani ka kebangyong kasih jantia region kini ki jela ha ke jela ke jongi nyaban penya bentah ki atli bentah kawai ke deka ki border area bar ka Hills region bar kawai ke deka kasih jantia region de kini kasih jantia region kamtam kini ki east kasih west kasih hills jantia hills ka tokan ne kalong kini ki jaka ki balong lu bak jaka ki bakriat tigi jaka ki bakriat kalong bai ka do kha ka slam ban he dan kata ka ki don kili ki jaka ki ba kiri ka do kha ta makidang tong do kha wat hadin arsnem ya ka dana ka juga pum dalam ngikenya kata ka jimentoy lanika economic viability ngisien ba kala do nong lupa nata ka daw long kawai ki ka daw kalong bai na ka jinglong jong kamariang kamsya balontan rela ngi pej prej komisari boy segi jaka sa border bar sa Hills region pada kini ki jaka ki bia pat ki babun hi long bang yu i bai ba kami ka do kha nang ki jaka ma ka jinglong jong ka mariang kata ka de ka ki pementang idang ya persang ban penseluri ki pai ba ten bai ki long kidon katukan ni pada ki jingkhang la dan kidon katukan ni kini ki kendon ki balabu da sarkar India mo kumi kan ka do kha koi gawe ka pyong ya ka tilapia ikani gede do kha ka ba roi state bat ka ba he kloi ro kini ni jaka ka ba yadai ba ki jaka bu sini tamalong kani ki jaka pada nama kalong mentahi kalong bai ba nakalian ka sarkar India kita penhat lagi kita ban species. Nomor ba kini kita kalau kecing kalau ladangi pelak lagi in habri lagi kata kerukom ba kim de ban laj kini lagi kiwa ki jongi. Lara ki laj kini kita sakiwa ki jongi kalau ba kini ki kloi ban he bagi kloi ban roy. Ban nak la roy kini kalau bagi penduduk jat beri kiwe ki jat ki berada ki kiwa ki jongi. Dalam ngiri kini dokha ngiraban pe ki jaka ki ba ngilaban balong ki ngilong intensive culture kabangi khang yaki baki nadan kita ki biosecurity ki banginum aila ki dokha kin poi seki unjua lan ki open waters ki jongi dalam ngilaban la kita kalau buka bar hagini ki system bat mai menta ki bangile ki bangi kita ki bioflok kita ki ras ka recirculatory aquaculture system bakani ki bioflok system hakini kini ki kawai nak candidate hakini ki species hakini ki kombri ki batma ki jongi namar ba ke jinghe kloi ki jongi bat ke jinghe dei ki jongi ka jaka kita species kamat ka bakongsan ba namar ba ka kata daw ba ngiru na kalian ka department ru ngidang yale sitom ye kini ke kom namar bale ba ka jinghe ka jongi kalong ba kini ki nongrap ki jongi bun sien ia ka basdang kalong ba ngingla silak ki jaka ki jongi na ka daw jong ka jingbiang jong ka jaka ka jingbiang jong ka ka jinglong jong ka jaka ka puta ngila ji de ki kumtu ngila ya jing yarap ki bugin sinai ki pung dan ngila sinai ki pung kalong bahadu sampai dok har ngila yarap ina kalian ka department ka jing tumu ko jongi kalong bahan penmi dok ha na gitu ki pung dan rei ka jing ya ka jongi ka bangi kenduk menta kalong ba ki babun kini ki try pung pada menta ki ya be hi cekanika ikan ni ka khalai ki ngila badon ka ba penong di fishing competition ba kumta ter dan rei na kalian jongi ho ngila ya sai ni ka agreement na ka channel basdang hi dan rei ngimpa la ban pentri kam ya ka na ka daw kalong ba menta ngidang ya le sitom ni kam tamban penyo ya kata ka bangi ongkap nuclear fisheries act dah kani ka fisheries act menta kadang ya kadang don bat ki department ki ba fair ke jong government bahkan position ka kabinet ro bat hadin bangilayo ka jing muncul jong kabinet da sing dalam menteri kam ya ka dan ngila menteri kam ya ka tenrei kuma kalong mentahi ka don ka tu kan district de ki ba nakaliang jong ki deputy commissioner ki ba sedang hi ba ka ban menteri kam dan ban penan kam da ka bor ka jong ki ban khangla je kini dan ila aila ru kalong bai kada don da ka kenja slap ka ban ai batang kata-kata ki la ban penong tenrei kadi ke jing sisa ko pi ong ba ka jing duna jong dok khai kalong babun kini ki pung dok kham kala penong dok ki fishing competition ka ter ter dan ata kada ngimyo ya kata ke jing ya ka expectation ka production ko magi de badio dan kita ki pung di bang laksana kata kadi ke jing sisa ko bakra tenrei ka bang impat dep ya kini kami clear fisheries act kalong bai bangi ngimpat la ban ai kini mata dan la ada kini ka ak lese kata la long ai lese ngil ala menteri kam ya ka pan simi nanti bakat sa longkap mata ya bat kawai kalong bai bahak bai de bakani kami clear state aquaculture mission kalong ngim pat poi sebab pi nama rabas dang jong kami clear state aquaculture mission au aja kar bai kat ar ka jing tum ko jongi kalong ban sina silak teli gipu dan rei kuma kalong mentang ngimpat poi sita ngidang la ban sina mentang balai pesan hajar teli ai gipu dan nak tak ada ngidang don ka gap ka ba he bahan dia kini ka mentang ngidang peteng pada mentah kini ka aquaculture mission ka ba ar pada kumnu bangin ko ba ka tai rengkat bagi jing yarap dan ka sarkar pada hi ka syong kam tam ka jing don kam ka jing dawa jong kini ki ka namara kani ka bagi ong kapi am meswai mo kapi am meswai kalong bai ba kini ki jing yarap jong ki kalong ki don ki bun ke rukom bat kawai na peng kita ka di ka rukom mesnai kini pung dok ha ti ka jing sina jong ki pung dok ha kalong ba ngi la ya le sitom hi ban yo hi man ka snem bangin penrum tenrei long kadon ka jing ot pada nak kalian ka sorkar pedeng pada long ka kam a hi baro ka bangi pan mangi ka ai menta ka sedam kendiat hasil koi ka sedam kendiat bat kumta ka kaya kata rukom ai jong nak kalian ka sorkar pedeng de mentau ni arja pula sau tu ngila terwa lan ngila apa ya proposal ka jongi balai spa nyoko teli balai spa nyoko hektares ka area ka bangin kobar kini ki pung dok ha baro dia kata ru ka syok pada kan nak ada examen kita langin yo nem kita baro balai spa nyoko hektares dalam yo baro koi kamu ka anak kan tiu susu Jika nak kalian ke sorkar pedeng hi ka syong baik ka fund ka ba allocate nak kata kan ni ka PMMSY banyak anda kata ki share bagi ya ki state berapa ya ka ri ka jong tengi ru yo pentalang anta jika we nak ki komponen jong kan ka PMMSY ka bangyong ka padi fish culture ka nilai mo dia kan ni ka padi fish culture ka di ka jing sisa ni sedang ya ka de na ko sang pung na west district bat kan ni ka ya rap ba itu ki brio ham tu ki badan ni ki pentar ka ba le kita om sisa pakai rap sisa nomor bakat kani ka jing ka jong ka kalong bai ba na ka ju ka jaka kalong iyo lang ko ba ka do ha ta ka kom sina kita ka to kani ki kom ki don ki bangin aban sina ki jaka ba de mde kom ki normal lengka ka ba ba ni aban sina ka to kani te ka ni ru kalong bai ngiaram ngia tre lang ya kani rengkat bagani ka MGNRGS scheme ka banakal yang ka MGNRGS ka rap nak bata ka construction but yaki tu ki input samtu nak tak sampai dok kha ki jimba dok kha bedeng ai nak kalian jong de ka tu ngia le bat ka jinglap ka jingsiam ka jongi kalong ba ka yarap ai ki try hali ki try pentor ka ba namar ba ki ong ba ka jingdon jo dok kha tu ka penong ru ai ka pentor ka ba ka basbo tebat na ka ju kom ru kalong ka yarap hado ya ka kom penku ki nyot ki nyer ka pentor ka ba ru ya ka jingdon jo dok kha kala yarap tak tu ka ni benta beda aga bakal penduna no e ka bai nong sngi jo aga bakal nai nong sngi ki brio kin pot ki tu nyok ka kunta ter de kani ka de ka we na ki ibat ka ni ka pien na swai ro kalong bai ba na ka lang jongi ngala ka proposal bat kam na ka le ka sokar pedeng ro ka pedeng ya kani ban mentang ila stang ya cha ki we ki district aga bai de bagini ki fishing competition he kini ke jingi ko kwai do ka he ka long bai ba ka jinglap ka jongi pi na man mental rangi aram ya ka pung bangin snai la di san hajar la ni 10,000 square meter boy ka pung de kajing kami nanti ke jongi lada kapung ke bahaya si hektar dan si 4,000 square meter kajing temu ke jongi kalau ko kumnom do bangin yo ya ka dok kha ko mi nang tu la kumnom no arajasan spa la hajar kilo ke dok kha na ka kapung dan rei menta beri gitu kipung pada long la sim kabun ada ki kat tu kat ne pada gitu kipung ke ba kini ki try tenteng long ki la syuan da ki we pat ki banabar ban sim wai ke kapung ke jongi da ka basu siu ya kira siga amanong arbo jar la jar bat ha jing da khen pade ka jing mi ka ba de ban mi nang tai pade kat kum ka ka jing khen la da letang arja san spa kilo ru la da dia da ka do ar spa ka along ko masan po jar ko along do san lak ai ka along ka jing mi la da khen den rei kata kam position ru ka daw ka long hi nomor ba kini par fa hi ka along ma tia be ya kan ka pisah ka banyo no mentah kimia la ban up ban ong ban ri ka dok kha ka kum kapur ka chong ka hadu ban dakut kapur ban yo tong ya ka den regi pelong di fishing competition ka jing pelong fishing competition kalong bai ba ka system da se ka ju kapung kila ban pelong sausen san sien tu bar kini ki sausen san sien tu lada de lada kini ki bawan pelong itu fishing competition ki babuan hikim de gitu ki try pu ki de ki bawan nabar ki basu simwai tu kapung teka jingi anong hi ka babuan hi ka le sautu nong wai ka kapung dai ka basu ki try pada kam kim yo ka tu ki semua barkani ka kata ru hamtam ya ka jing pen mi ro kha pada siang ka department ru namar balik kembang ngila ya rap ya ki ka jing tumu ka jongi kalong bangin yo i ka dok kha pakan mi ti pung dan rei kuma kalong mentap dengan yo i ka dok kha kan mi nama ka daw kalong ba kini ki pung ba khoi la si pelong tan kata ka jing tumu ka jongi but larangi kenya ka pung kalong bai kum tapi nama lar bibu ka pung dok kha kalong bai ba pidon kam investment hang tu nala diru nama ka dok kha pidon kam lai ba dan regi nong rap ki jongi babuan hi jongi hi ka bemut ba ya kani ka benta ki babuan hi ki kiar ya ka ki mai ban ka dok kha dan larangi mai ban me ka dok kha kum min tu ti dok kha kan he ki kata ka de ka jingi ka bakrau ba ni bon sin ki jubatai ba ki training ki bangi ai ru ki jupi seluruh ba ki ba ngiran kam hi ka ban ai ban yarap ban penmi ya kita ki jingan kam baro hi kadang bagian penmi ya kita ki jing kat ki jingan kam ka jongi kata ka de jing kani ka jing pelong ki competition ki makalong matangi kata jur kata ya ka department aku mengalaong himene ka jing sialong ko magalong mentahi ngila persang banyak trikam lang bagi ni deputy commissioner benar lebih deputy commissioner nomor 4 don kata ka ai ka bante na ka benta kata ka jaikam makir ki dak siam sitom ha isu penrikam bai tang ya ka kendon sispa sau si RPC dan rei menta ka mengalaong himene mementa ka ni ka jing sena ka jing kre ka jongi ka ni ka Mekhle Fisheries Act kadang don on the way halenti ka banang ya support secretariat pangidang up ya ka betting jong ka law department personal department tekan poisi du ka kabinet adin bangila ayo ya kata kani ru ka de ka we nagi close ka bangila penrong tu apo kani ka Fisheries Act kenang ba kani kan tek lakam ya ki bakum kini ladaki de banle kita ki competition ru kadang ka kendon ka bante ya ki bakin dapan yo permission bakin le kita parpoi dan nomor bangi 4 la ban yo ya kata ada mentahi kalau bangi kita kata ngi kepala penterikan ya ka hoi aka porba sedang hi abang yarap hi kalau bai ia sign ka agreement bat ni kita try pu ba ka we kalau mungkin kiar nak kata ka jemput pai competition bai ter dan rei nomor bangi 4 don pada ka ai nak kata kata ngi nak sem sitom pada wala ngi don makna ka agreement ngi sign lang bal try pung bat department du dan rei nongi 4 don ka ai nak kata kata ngi 4 yo penterikan ya ka rukom ko bantik lah ka pada kita nginang up ya kan ni dalami kan ka ai kan ka aki ka bungun penterikan katuru kala kataru kade hakaju kawan hakaju ni ka benta dia katuru karung lang ada ka Mekhle Fisheries Act dia ka Mekhle Fisheries Act gira don ki kendon dia kini ki bapenia 4 hari di dok ha si si dua da kabi da kita wai ba konta ter ya kituru kalau bai kala don ka kendon bar hatu ka kendon ni kalau bai ba kila don ni ki kemenonok ki penalty ki bangingen ngin fine dan ya kan kom ki selaban sa set sa kemru kalau bai ka don la kala arung lang hang tu ndai ko makalong mentala ngi pe ya kanika kadan ka bangi pentrika menta malu malangi susim da ka jing yarap jong kanika Indian Fisheries Act jong ka khat praspak ndai funyo te kanika Indian Fisheries Act mo kalau menta hang tu kaladon ya kanika jing hang la dikini baro bagi dan di penalti ru den rei namar katu pada bakadi salon sa dika India Parkway na ta da ngingi ko abanio pada laka jong pada tang ke jela ka jong te na ka benta ka jela ka jong ngingi dang api kata ndalayo lang kata kita perko kila rung lang kanika Fisheries Act te ngila la pentrika